The Brits were the first out of the blocks. Now comes the next challenge, vaccinating an entire population. This convention centre in East London was made into a COVID-19 hospital during the peak of the pandemic. Now it will become a vaccination hub, so the masses can roll up here for the jab. But Boris Johnson says they will not be forced to have it.
I strongly urge people to take up the vaccine, but it is no part of our culture or our ambition in this country to make vaccines mandatory. That's not how we do things.
Instead of forcing it on people, it will now be up to the government to convince them it's safe to have it. But on the streets of London, there's mixed views. Would you take it?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the vaccine. To be honest, I think next week is a bit early.
Yes, I'll definitely take it as soon as I've got an opportunity.
You're not worried about safety or anything like that?
I trust them.
It does take a few years to really make a good vaccine and test it out. They haven't had the time to test it, and that's my reason why no, I don't want to take the vaccine.
The government already has its priority list. Care home residents and their carers will be first in line, followed by anyone over 80 and healthcare workers. The British regulators say they have absolute confidence the jab is safe. London anaesthetist Alex Walls, for one, has no concerns.
Yeah, I'd absolutely take the vaccine if it was offered to me. It's clearly been tested on thousands of people without anything major happening to those volunteers. And I just think we need to do something to get out of this situation. I mean, we can't live our lives like this forever. We're going to need to have a plan of how we're going to get back to normal.
News of the vaccine came as England was coming out of its second national lockdown, although there will be restrictions in most of the country for some months yet. And Boris Johnson has warned the struggle against the virus is not over.